Hey guys, welcome back to another informative video. In this video, I will show you some features of VS Code that you might not have known before. So, without further waiting, let's begin. Zen Mode is your best friend when you're deep in coding and need to avoid distractions. Press and hold Ctrl+K, then press Z to hide everything except the editor. If you want to exit this window, press the Escape button twice. It can be tedious if you have to create 3 button elements individually, but with this shortcut you can create all 3 elements with a single line. Type button*3, and there it is. If you want to edit elements with the same name in one go, you can put the cursor at the start of an element, press and hold Alt, and click on the same name elements you want to edit. Through this, you can edit each selected element in a single go. Suppose you want to see how a function works and view its code. Go to any function and press Alt plus F12. There, you can see a pop-up window showing how this function is being executed. The timeline view is a hidden gem. It shows you the complete history of a file, including comments, edits, and saves. You can see the timeline tab in the bottom left corner. Here you can see each and every change from the day of origin. There, you have hidden VS Code features to supercharge your coding in 2025. Which one surprised you the most? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more productivity tips. See you in the next video.